Launched in 1991, the Cincinnati-based Oswald Company provides construction, development, and design-build services for corporate, commercial, and institutional clients throughout Ohio and surrounding states. With aggressive goals for higher annual revenue, the company prioritizes process efficiency and waste reduction and employs a number of lean-inspired tools and technologies to meet their goals. And while they had successfully implemented Procore for their project management needs, they were still using Excel for estimating, an inefficient process the company was eager to replace. For 6 months, Oswald evaluated multiple estimating products that integrated with their Procore management solution, ultimately choosing ProEst for its flexibility and reasonable cost. ProEst's cloud-based platform had an immediate and positive impact on productivity, allowing project stakeholders to make important decisions in real time, without time-consuming bottlenecks and delays. Oswald estimators also appreciated the responsiveness of the ProEst technical team, who resolved issues immediately to keep productivity levels high. At the top of Oswald's must-have list was complete integration with their Procore construction management solution, and ProEst more than delivered. Oswald now finds that by sending project data directly from ProEst to Procore, tasks that used to take days now take minutes, and accuracy is 100% improved. The bottom line for Oswald? The company has newfound confidence in the accuracy, efficiency, and competitiveness of their estimates. Even better, they have hopes that their exponential growth of the past few years can continue without interruption, supported by a scalable estimating system that accommodates unlimited estimating volume.